Hey everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Friday night! I've got a fun video. I'm going to share the candles that I am burning this weekend for Halloween, but before I do that, I decided that I wanted to light up all of the candles that I currently have on my Halloween buffet just to show you what like 10 candles look like all burning together. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Now I would never leave this going. There's way too much scent and way too much heat. I just wanted to light these up really quick just to kind of give you an idea of what my buffet looks like all lit up. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love each of the home decor pieces that I've chosen this year. I've got Bath and Body Works here. I've got Goose Creek. I've got Kringle Candle. And they all look absolutely gorgeous. I've got the couple of Yankee candles, including the Dreadful Drip represented here. So I just kind of wanted to give you a little bit of my Halloween happiness going on here. Guys, wasn't that cool? I would never leave that many candles burning on the buffet, especially if I walked in another room. But I thought it would be really fun just to light up all the candles to see what everything looked like lit up. While I was filming, the scents were starting to all mingle together and it just smelled amazing. The dining room still smells like Halloween. So I just wanted to kind of do a short little video tonight and share a couple of Halloween candles that I plan on burning this weekend because I don't know if I'm going to get through all of these reviews because I have so many Halloween candles, but I at least wanted to share a couple that I'm going to enjoy myself. It is almost 7 o'clock. I think we're going to do maybe a little Harry Potter marathon tonight, make some popcorn. I just want to enjoy the season. It's actually really dark and creepy out right now. We're getting a thunderstorm, and I just walked down to the lake. The clouds are ominous. So it's a perfect, beautiful Halloween weekend. So a couple of the candles that I want to enjoy this weekend are the Goose Creek Wicked Treats. I actually picked this one up a couple of years ago. It's a really rich, delicious apple candle. Not super tart though. This is one of my favorite apple candles from their Halloween collection. I would really like to light up jack-o'-lantern. I never burned this one from Yankee. It kind of smells like pumpkin guts. So the inside of a jack-o'-lantern, I love that really nice orange wax. I actually bought this one last year. Never got around to burning it. I might review one or two of these if I get a chance this weekend. I do want to go to Bath and Body Works tomorrow, see what's happening. I picked up a couple from Home Goods. Check it out. I got the Witch's Brew. This is a Rae Dunn candle. Check it out. And believe it or not, I didn't realize this. This is actually a DW candle. DW is sold at Home Goods. This is what they look like, which is interesting because I got another Rae Dunn candle that is not DW. This one was actually made in Vietnam and is pumpkin vanilla. So I'm not exactly sure what the co-branding is with a lot of these Rae Dunns, but I was kind of impressed that this one was actually the DW brand. It smells really good. I've lit this once, so I think I'm going to light that up again. It's a caramel apple. I love the green wax too. It's super pretty. I do want to try my Marshmallow Ghost from DW. I don't know if this is going to be strong, but it's a really nice vanilla. So that's super cute. I like the top. Look at how cute that is. Two Kringles that I want to start burning. I really want to burn, oh my gosh, this is Graveyard Night. It smells like Halloween candy. Oh my gosh, this is just wonderful. It's got like a bunch of like really rich pumpkin-y vanilla scents in it. I love the packaging. And then I also want to burn Sleepy Hollow. This is from their new collection. Oh my gosh, this one is really strong. I'm excited to try this one. We might have some friends over tomorrow on the patio, so I might light this one up on the patio. I think it might be a little bit too strong in the house. I don't know. It smells really strong, cold. I also want to light up, I'd like to review this one, the Yankee Candle Halloween. This is the trio. It's got Witch's Brew, it's got Haunted Hayride, and the Forbidden Macintosh. I'd really like to review this one because I'm curious what the scents are like when they all like burn down. I was thinking about lighting up Ghoul Friend this weekend too. I have the big Ghoul Friend on the buffet, and then I have the tiny Ghoul Friend. I don't know. I like to burn Ghoul Friend like one day in the Halloween season. It's such a fun scent. It's like a fruity floral. Oh my gosh, the pink wax is gorgeous too. It's got like a little Ghoul Friend going on. I might light up the Bath and Body Works Vampire Blood. I like to mix Vampire Blood. I've got that one actually up here. Oh my gosh. You got to burn Vampire Blood a couple of times during Halloween. This will fill your house. So like I said, I really want to start enjoying my Halloween candles this weekend, next weekend, and of course Halloween weekend, mix in a couple of fall candles. But I do. Usually what I'll do is in the morning, if I'm home, if I'm like cleaning or something, I do like to clean on Saturday and then go to Bath and Body Works. I like to do a combination, but if I'm cleaning, I will definitely light up a candle, start cleaning, maybe plug in a wallflower, use my Bath and Body Works body cream, polish all my furniture, and then in the evening, usually as a family on the weekends, we'll choose a candle. I think we're going to probably do Wicked Treats tomorrow. A lot of people are voting for Wicked Treats. They want this apple candle. If we have anyone over on Sunday on the back patio, I'm definitely lighting up Sleepy Hollow as the outdoor ambiance candle for the day. So I'm super excited. I really want to enjoy all my Halloween candles this year. Let me know what you're burning this weekend. Have an awesome Friday night, and I will be back tomorrow. Hopefully I have some news from what I find out at my Bath and Body Works. I'm excited to get in there. Thank you as always for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.